Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Bon. Today I'm going to show you how to make my super easy and delicious mayonnaise at home with just a few basic kitchen ingredients. To make your mayonnaise, all you need is some canola oil, some eggs, vinegar, salt, sugar, and some garlic powder, and the garlic powder is totally optional. To your food processor or blender, add your eggs, vinegar, sugar, salt, and garlic powder, and give it a good mix for about a minute so that everything gets mixed together. After a minute, everything should be mixed together. Then turn it on again and start adding your oil gradually in a steady stream. Don't try to add all of the oil at once, otherwise your mayonnaise will split. Now this mayonnaise is so easy to make. It only needs a few basic ingredients. You can use it for so many purposes, from dips to making sandwiches. And it also doesn't have any chemicals like the store-bought mayonnaise. So it's a win-win. Now if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any future videos. Once all of your oil has been added, let it mix for 1 more minute. And look how perfect the consistency is. It's so gorgeously thick and glossy. Now if some oil hasn't mixed well, then mix for another minute. And your super easy mayonnaise is ready to be used. I hope you do try it and do let me know in the comment section below that whether you liked it or loved it.